moving 2 Union Pacific engines to the main line.
Dispatcher, my fuel's just about empty. Running on fumes. Am I clear? Over. Roger that. Take the green. Over. Roger that. Green forward. Out. Dispatcher, we are underway. Over. Roger that. Have a good run. Out. Dispatcher, we still all clear? Over. That's affirmative. Clear ahead. Over. Roger that. We're wearing the green. Out. Dispatcher, we are underway. Over. Copy that. Keep rolling. Out. This is the dispatcher. Switch lines. You're clear inbound. Over. Copy that, dispatcher. Clear into the yard. Out. Dispatcher here. All clear inbound. Over. Copy that, dispatcher. Clear into the yard. Out. Dispatcher, that was a good run. Ready for new track orders. Over. Acknowledged. Welcome back. Out. That's it for us today, dispatcher. Signing off. Out. This is the dispatcher. Do you copy? Copy that, dispatcher. I read you. Over. Please start up and stand by. Over. Understood. Let's get to work. Out. Dispatcher, train is outbound. Over. Roger that. Have a good one. Out.
Thanks for watching. A like, comment, and subscribe will be appreciated.